Chi, I think it's a form of martial arts. You sure it's not like a tea?
It reminds me of a tea.
Like chai tea?
Chai tea.
Tai Chi.
But I think it's a type of martial art.
Okay.
The purpose of our project is to answer the question, how does Tai Chi work? More specifically, we'll be looking at the biomechanical aspects of certain techniques within the Chen style of Tai Chi.
In order to learn more, the members of the Tai Chi project invited Master Chen Xiong from Beijing, China, one of the most highly regarded Tai Chi masters in the world, to the Motion Gate lab at Stanford University. Using high-tech infrared cameras and sophisticated motion capture software, we were able to collect kinematic data as the master demonstrated his techniques.
Based on the data we were able to record, we have identified 3 essential biomechanical elements of the Tai Chi master's strike. First, we found that Master Chen applies to the ground a force of 2,200 newtons and a torque of 11,000 newton meters when he strikes, precisely when his hand reaches maximum velocity. We hypothesized that he may be pushing off or pivoting from the ground into the object. As you can imagine, the force he transfers into the object must also be very high. Our second hypothesis looks at the rotation of Master Chen's feet, hips, and shoulders. We believe that Master Chen optimizes momentum transfer into his target by translating the angular momentum of his hips and shoulders into the linear momentum of his striking hand. Focusing only on the timings of angular velocities of his feet, hips, and shoulders, using our motion analysis software, we can show the timing sequence of his different body regions. This shows that the master spirals into his target at the same time he is moving forwards from his feet, hips, and shoulders. Our third hypothesis highlights the fact that the Tai Chi master may be delivering his impact as an intense short burst of energy that can best be described as an impulse. Based on Newton's second law, force increases as the time of contact decreases, as demonstrated by the short amount of time his arm stays extended before being relaxed. We predict that the master may only contact his target for 25 milliseconds, giving him extremely optimized biomechanical advantages only possible by very elite athletes like Master Chen.